When the moonlight softly shines, I hear your name. A tender glow, a guiding light that never fades. Every dream I hold is painted with your face. You are the song my heart will always play. Oh, my beloved one, you are my only star, guiding me through darkness, no matter where we are. Every breath I take is whispering your name, forever in my soul. This love will never change. Your touch can turn the night into a dawn. With every smile, the emptiness is gone. Even if the world should crumble and fall, you'll always be my everything, my all. This love will never change. Through every storm, through every tear, I'll hold you close.